To achieve the best results, running a business that sells products to customers requires the use of specialized tools. Today's affiliate marketing platforms offer exceptional ways to reach a larger audience. The potential of affiliate marketing is great. You don't have to worry about product creation, fulfillment, customer service, or negative feedback. Affiliate marketing is at best a job. Let's say you really want to work on the beach for an hour a day. What if there was a way for you to create a truly passive income stream? An income stream that does not need large investments or doing all of the hard work of driving traffic for a meager commission. An income stream that generates consistent monthly revenue ranging from a few $1,000s to well over $9,000. Well, you're on the right channel. Hey, welcome to MoneyTalk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to earn $5,000 in passive income using affiliate marketing. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. ClickBank is a well-known affiliate network that houses thousands of digital goods such as software, ebooks, and videos. So they simply act as go-betweens for affiliates and product vendors. So if you are a merchant, you will create your own products and sell them through ClickBank's system. They will then promote your products in their marketplace to tens of thousands of affiliate marketers. They handle the tracking by using unique tracking links and cookies to determine where the sale originated and credit the appropriate bank account. So ClickBank does not create or market its own products. It allows sellers to do so with assistance of influencers or affiliate marketers who have a thorough understanding of the market. So the platform is free to use, and the ClickBank sign-up page requires you to fill out a small form. It only takes a few minutes and no screening is required. The basic ClickBank sign-up process is the same whether you are a seller or an affiliate marketer. However, once inside, you must complete your account by entering payment information and other information. ClickBank is simple to use, especially for inexperienced affiliate marketers. For sellers and marketers, the marketplace provides a wealth of educational materials. Vendors can also choose their own commissions. Meanwhile, affiliates can rely on timely and consistent payouts. Although it is an advantage, you do not have to be a marketing expert to join ClickBank. Spark, an affiliate marketing educational program, is available on the platform. You will have access to high-quality training material that will cover affiliate marketing concepts, how to get started, email marketing, copywriting, advertising, and entrepreneurship. The training is delivered by subject matter experts. As a result, you can progress from novice to expert for as little as $47 per month. Their courses are also self-paced, so you don't have to worry about making time to study. ClickBank's commissions are among the highest of any digital marketing network. Some products allow you to earn up to 75% commission. Furthermore, with such fierce competition, vendors are incentivized to offer high commissions. There are also numerous product categories from which to choose, so you're bound to find a niche in which you're both passionate and knowledgeable, which will undoubtedly help you become a successful marketer. So ClickBank has its own marketplace with over 200 million customers worldwide. There's no limit to the number of products you can list for sale, whether they are physical or digital. So you will also have access to over 1,000 affiliate marketers who will help you promote your products. You can also contact successful marketers directly, ensuring that you are working with people who understand and care about your products. Hey, before I continue, I want to know if you're interested in affiliate marketing. Let me know in the comment section below. So ClickBank's payouts are consistent and predictable, so you have the option of receiving payments weekly or bi-weekly. Like, for example, funds are usually available on Fridays, 2 days after the pay period ends. So the pay period ends at midnight PST on Wednesdays. ClickBank also claims to have never missed a payment in the last 20 years. If you've previously burned your fingers on shady marketplaces, ClickBank is unquestionably a reliable platform. You can also specify how you want to be paid, such as wire transfers, direct deposits, Payoneer, or checks. Over 100,000 digital marketers use the ClickBank affiliate marketplace. It is completely free to become an affiliate marketer. Furthermore, affiliates can promote over 4,000 digital and physical products across more than a dozen categories. So the first step is to set up an account. I want you to simply go to ClickBank website and click the Start Here button in the upper right corner of the page. Fill out the sign-up form with information such as your name, country, email address, and password. Following that, you'll be asked to complete your client profile. So you'll enter additional information such as your street address, preferred language, and payment method. Citizens of the United States must also provide a tax identification number such as an employer identification number or social security number. Finally, make any necessary changes to your payment information, such as payment method, threshold, and frequency. Again, affiliate marketers are not charged for the entire process. Finally, you can look for profitable products to promote on the ClickBank marketplace. Affiliates can earn money in two ways. So, one is revenue share. A revenue share commission, also known as a rev share commission, is based on a percentage of the sale. So a seller, for example, may offer a 50% commission on each sale. This is the most common type of ClickBank commission. Unless a vendor's page states otherwise, you can assume that they offer revenue sharings. Affiliates, on the other hand, do not receive a commission if the product is returned and the buyer requests a refund. CPA, cost per action. So this commission charges a set fee for each conversion. This commission, however, only applies to the first sale in the seller's funnel. Subsequent sales or subscriptions are not allowed or not rewarded with a commission. CPA commission is an excellent option for affiliates who prefer to earn a lump sum commission rather than commissions for each product sold. Even if a buyer returns a product and requests a refund, the affiliate retains the commission. Most products do not require vendor approval to be promoted. However, you may require permission to promote certain products. You'll also need to contact the vendor to find out what their CPA rate is. Joining a lucrative affiliate program on ClickBank is not as time-consuming as writing for a living or making money blogging. Bloggers, entrepreneurs, and digital content creators who want to promote digital and lifestyle products on their niche website or platform should consider ClickBank. Even if you're new to affiliate marketing, this is still a good side job for you. So, now that you know all of this information, are you ready to try affiliate marketing? You know what? Comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Click subscribe and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!